Okay, guys, out here changing the oil on the Honda Trail 125. And what I always use is SuperClean to clean the grease and the oil afterwards, because I just changed the filter right here. Well, the oil runs down all over the frame and stuff. If you don't clean that off, then you're going to have lots of this dirt and grit when you're out riding. It sticks to the oil and it's just a mess. So I always take the SuperClean. This is this spray bottle with the pump, and it has spray or stream either way. And then I also have the aerosol can style. But super stuff. It really works good. It dissolves grease and oil and all that stuff really fast. It's biodegradable ingredients. Very good stuff. Super clean. I've used it for a long time and use it on the cars, motorcycles, just everything. When you get something greasy, this stuff really works good. So I just spray it on here. And then what I'll do is I get all around here real good. I'll go over and just spray it on like this, and then I'll just hose it off, and then we'll be good to go. So I'll just take it over there now with the hose and spray it off. It'll just wash all that oil and stuff right off, especially if you get grease on your back wheels, brakes, anywhere you want to clean it and you don't want the residue. This stuff here is going to work really good. Super clean. As I said, you can get it both ways. I will post a link in the description where you can pick this stuff up, but it's really good degreaser. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. God bless you all. Catch you all in the next video. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you all on the next adventure. Right on.